Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics: power and physical contact. First, wipe the smart connector pins gently with a lint-free cloth so dirt won't block the connection. Once done, restart your iPad to clear any temporary glitches, then detach and reattach the smart keyboard while checking magnet alignment. Make sure Bluetooth is off since smart connector keyboards use a hardware link, and update iPad OS to the latest version so software drivers aren't the problem. Next, dig into root causes. Inspect the keyboard case and smart connector area for moisture, folds, or warped pins. If damp, let it air dry for 24 hours and avoid heat. To isolate whether the keyboard or iPad is at fault, test the keyboard on another iPad or try a different keyboard on your iPad. If the problem persists and you've ruled out hardware, reset iPad settings, not erase content, to restore connection defaults and clear stubborn configuration errors. Finally, complete the repair or choose replacement. Inspect the smart connector pins for visible damage. Tiny bends or corrosion often mean the keyboard needs professional repair or replacement. If you've exhausted software fixes and swaps, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store so a technician can assess warranty or repair options. One practical troubleshooting tip: if dirt persists, gently clean the pins with a soft toothbrush, lightly moistened with.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.